waking them up. Take a little video. AJ, look at me. Look who's here. Hello, we're waking you up. Hi, sweet girl. Who's that, AJ? Who's that? He might have to go potty since we woke him up. Oops. Here's Yellow Boy. Who's over here with you? That's the light green boy. Excuse you, AJ. Come on, little pup. Come on, little puppies. Wake up. Wake up. Come on. Like, what for? Is my mommy here to feed me? Not really. Oops. Back again. There you go. There you go. Here she is again. Oh, yeah. Our Yellow Boy is pretty vocal. And the red girl's getting up. Hello. Hello. Did you know we're over here? Hmm? Okay, I'm sure you're looking for Mom. Are you looking for Mommy? Hmm? Are you? Somebody went potty. Stand back. AJ's watching us. They are interesting, aren't they, AJ? Quite cute. So they would be 2 weeks old and a few days. They're walking really great. Oh yeah, you were up earlier. I already can tell that the pink girl and the red girl both have some attitudes, and then the Yellow Boy. So this will be fun to see how much that changes in time. Okay. I'll go get your Mom for ya. There's the 2 girls. Okay, AJ, you ready?